Here's the Zephyr Hills Breakfast Club. Beautiful International. I think he said one time it took like 8 vehicles to make this. They started rusting when they were on the showroom floor. Beautiful. He said it took, what, 8 vehicles to make this?
That's all turning weight. Yeah.
Okay. I still can't get over all the collectibles he's got. Holy crap. This is an 81 Mini Mart. How you doing?
Pretty good. Bring your hot rod. They had advertised down there.
Oops, excuse me.
Yeah, it's no problem. What kind of prices they have.
Here we are at Brandon Ford Collision Center. Okay, here's the crew.
I put an ad in for a painter. I'll have one hired in 2 days. Body man, it's a dying craft. You got.
Look at the spray booths down there. This is my biggest fan.
But getting back to what I was saying,
They do motorhomes in that tall one. Unbelievable. They can do 50 cars a day. Actually 50 cars at a time, bodywork wise.
And what it does, it converts it to a low grade pair. It's not going to be a high grade pair, but it's going to be a low grade.
This building's about a quarter of a mile long, I think. It's huge. Can't get over the paint booths. How many they've got. Autographed by Carol Shelby.
When you bring the car in, okay, I got Charlie's car in here. This is his RO number. I dispatch it out from the body. When I put it in the computer, I say, okay, Charlie said, here's the RO number. And then I put the tech that goes with it. So I kind of got it down a little bit of science. It doesn't always work perfect, but those things are the easiest things to work with. They always scared me. They said the bigger the easier they are. I don't know how true it is, but I'm going to show you one that's a part. Believe it or not, a majority of it is riveted.
Really? Here's the aluminum repair section.
And it's kind of hard sometimes to get parts of those things. You gotta wait forever to hit the back. That's where I buff and polish.
Buff and polish area. Nice GT 350.
So it goes in right now. A lot of them, like on your Ford F-150s, on the back. Like I tell them, hey, would you rather have a brand new one than have one repaired? Not saying. This truck here. And you'll be amazed when you see how they're put together, because they're all put together in rivets. I mean, you got to work together 35 years ago. He was good then, he's good now. And I tell you what, that guy's got more energy than anybody.
Here's one of the aluminum bodies.
What happens is, on these particular trucks, when they have running boards on the back side of the running board, or right here, they stick through this. This is a piece of aluminum panel, and they got these steel studs pressed in it with a 20 thousandths spacing is all it is. When they get hit, the running board gets hit, it rips these off. To replace these, you got to replace that. Oh my God! Okay. And what happens is you have to take it all the way out to a bare floor. start from scratch. You got to put the inner rocker in it, and it's put on with structural adhesive. It has 7,800 psi structural strength, and it's riveted together. And then when you get that on, you're supposed to take the whole side off. So I leave the dash and everything in right at first, and put the back half and the middle end first. I got something. Put it on there, and it go on silver. And when it dries, it turns a pinkish red. It's that. 50.
And you have to have that gun to do it.
Yes, sir. It's a portion. It's already pre-mixed with nozzle to be able to
And the
do it.
percentage is correct.
Just put in it.
Put on your street rock. That's a hell of a exhaust pipe.
He says it looks like a soil pipe. It's a self-piercing hole in it.
Yeah.
And you get different length rivets. They're like 50 cents a piece. And I just put it on a single panel, but it does it on double the same way. You pull the trigger, and that's it. And when you get done with it, see that's a factory one, and there's mine.
So the red is in.
What I do is I put that panel on the
They're all his. He goes from one to another, and, you know, okay, I'm caught up on parts here, I'm waiting.
Look at the lifts.
When it's set aside, that's all free work. They're like the big trucks in our used cars too. That from here over is what that is. My mechanics are on this wall down here.
Here's a Cadillac for you. Escalade. Here's some new frames. Here's a front section they're going to change on a truck. It's a whole new front section. There's some tires, wheels and tires. Some more parts on the loading dock. Here's the back lot. There's a frame straightening.
These are all the frame racks, guys, when you pull.
Another Jeep. He said they clean the floor every 2 hours with his Zamboni. They just cleaned it. And this Shelby got hit.
I never seen the other lot. I've never.
700.
Holy crap.
That was a good month. But still.
They sell 700 trucks a month.
Yeah. Yep, they move it. And you go in that showroom over there, like when they're having
I can't believe it. I've never seen so many Raptors. I've only seen one Raptor at our local Ford dealerships. I got a videotape record this. It's 9999 on this odometer. I've never seen that before. It's gonna roll to 100 here shortly. There it goes, 100,000.
Quick door.
Yep. Once in a lifetime. I've never seen one roll to 100,000.